comes to efficient parts cleanliness, Parts2Clean is the #1 information and procurement platform worldwide for users from every industry. Because nowhere else will they find such a comprehensive range of solutions for exploiting the optimization potential offered by the cleaning step in the production process. The broad and in-depth range includes systems, procedures and process media for degreasing, cleaning, deburring and pre-treating components, part baskets and workpiece holders, handling and process automation, cleanroom technology, filtration, quality assurance, test methods and analysis procedures, media treatment and disposal, contract cleaning, research and technical literature. This allows users from every sector of industry and maintenance to efficiently gather information about solutions to the widest variety of cleaning tasks at one central location, as well as to find out more about how to exploit savings potentials. Come to the leading international trade fair for cleaning within the production process and maintenance at its easy-to-reach international location and book your tickets for Parts2Clean now.